Yeah, it's definitely sunk in. We're obviously all very happy, really proud of what we've achieved. I think we'll always remember, the night after the game. This set of players, will always be special to each of us, and we're looking forward to the game now tomorrow night, really, so we can celebrate with our own fans. We all understand how hard it's been to qualify, and we've now done it. So we'll enjoy it, but I think it would be a shame, to feel that was all we want to achieve as a group. And even going forward, you look at the players we got coming through, the young guys, very talented bunch. So, we need to make sure that this is the start of good things, really, and we maintain it. We put things in place now, so that continues to happen. The Bosnia game at home, when we drew 0-0, was a big game for us. Then we had the 2 Belgium games, especially when we beat them in June. But I think we knew we was very close after we beat Cyprus in the last one, and then we knew we didn't have that much to do, to qualify. So that's when you could start, you start to talk a little bit about it. But now it's, we've done it and we've achieved it. It's just it's like something that we've never really felt before.
What it feels like is, I've never had a feeling like this. No, managing Wales, it's always, I've said before, it's my biggest honour, and you do something like this and you achieve the holy grail for us, isn't it? We've been chasing it for long enough. Indescribable, really. I think the last couple of days been in a bit of a daze. I think
it's took so long and so much effort to qualify, but it isn't job done. It's the start of something else now, and I think that's the thing we need to focus on to make sure that we continue to do well and keep qualifying for tournaments. So, I already spoke to the gaffer on the plane back about plans going forward and stuff, and as a group of players and everyone concerned, that's what we need to concentrate on now.
You're answering messages on your phone and people calling up and wishing you well, but then also we've got Andorra tomorrow, and my instinct is to prepare for that. But this is not a normal time in Welsh football. It's we're in new territory, and I've not looked at the game, and that's not, I normally look at the game 3 or 4 times the day after. I've not looked at it. I just keep looking at the table, and it's always nice to see. You never spell Wales with a Q, would you? But now you look at it, it's got Q and Wales. And I'm happy with that. That's fine.